In this video, we are going to learn how to Google Analytics 4 works. So here is what you have to do. You have to go to your Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics, and then you can click over here, View Tag Instruction, and you'll find the code that you have to paste at the header section of your website. So I'm going to click over here, Install Manually, and then you have to just copy this one. All right, and then paste over here. Yes, this code will be loaded whenever you paste this code at the header section of your website, or you can use Google Tag Manager for setting this up. And I'm going to make this video very soon, that how we can set up Google Analytics 4 with Google Tag Manager, because this is the very easiest one, and you can have a lot of control for sending data, and you can send much more data uh, without having hard coding knowledge. So from this sense, I gotta say that it's better to have you know Google Tag Manager knowledge. And I'm gonna record a video very soon that how to connect to Google Tag Manager with your website, and then I'll also make another video on how to connect Google Tag Manager with your website, and then install Google Analytics 4 in your website, so you can learn a lot. So thank you for watching this video.